So shipping and delivery is basically where we would set up our delivery profile for uShip. So typically, you're always going to have a general shipping rates. This is going to be where the majority of your products live. Um, if the majority of your products are smaller and can be shipped through a carrier like the U.S. Postal Service, UPS, or FedEx. Say, for example, you're a large furniture business that sells lamps and other types of decor, pots, jewelry, whatever the case would be. So if you sell things like that and also sell larger items like couches and hutches and bookshelves, things like that. So the smaller objects in your store would basically live in this general shipping rates um, uh, shipping profile typically. This is where you'd set up those other smaller carriers. For uShip specifically, you'd want to create a new custom profile. You'd want to name it uShip. You'd want to select the products that are associated. You click done, and then you should see all your products here. The variants would be also listed here. And then you would add your fulfillment locations in this next section. So typically, whatever products that you have here are going to be related to whatever fulfillment location that you have here. You can add multiple locations, but just know that whatever you create in this shipping profile, as far as the pricing, will be applied to all of the products in those locations. So what I mean by that is, let's say my couch is here in the Austin location, this coffee table is here, this bed is here, and then the large buffet is in the Louisiana warehouse. That is totally fine. But what our carriers would then see is they would expect whichever location is at the top here to be the one where they would go and pick up these items, which is why I suggest only having one of these locations per shipping profile. It basically just sort of simplifies things for you and keeps it very clean and a little bit more manageable from like the inventory side of things and the pickup location that is expected from the carriers.